everybody, the planes are coming right over my block today. So I'd like to just do some plane spotting. I always wanted to catch them on this angle, so I really hope you enjoy today's video. Unfortunately, I'm not getting any connection on flight radar right now, so I'm gonna actually have to play a guessing game on what plane is which. I'm not sure what plane this is, but it's really hard to detect. I am guessing either E175 or A220 at this point. Looks like a Delta if I'm correct. I see a plane somewhere up there. I have zero idea what that is. Oh, look at that. That's definitely a Southwest 737. That looks like a Max 8 right there for sure. That's definitely a Max 8. Either Max 8, no, 8H4. That looks like an 8H4. That's in my... It's a Delta CRJ900 LR. I finally got flight radar working. There's a NetJet Cessna 60A citation right up there. We're working for NetJet, arriving at LaGuardia. I have another Delta CRJ900 LR. Should be coming around the corner any second here. There it is. Delta CRJ900 LR. A lot of them today. You see next on my flight radar that I have on my phone right here. That is a United Airbus A320-232. To be honest, I'm really hyped for this A320 because we just had two Delta CRJ900 LRs in a row. So I'm really excited for this. That's not a CRJ900, as only small planes come to LaGuardia. And basically I think the biggest plane I've ever seen at LaGuardia was a A321. You also got some big ones, like there's also a giant 737, which is the 737-900. But anyways, here it comes, so I'm going to put you on to watch. 2232, right there, United Airlines. I love living next to LaGuardia. I like this part because it comes right over the town. Somewhere over there we have an abnormally fast Cessna Caravan right there. Pretty cool. Next on our list, we have an American Airlines Embraer E175LR. I love these planes, especially even though they're very common at LaGuardia. If you watch my plane spotting video, you'll see a lot. I love the deep growl, and I'm put you on the line right now. All right, yeah, I think that's it, not just some reverse thrust at LaGuardia, but I'll put you on the line right now. There you have it, an American Airlines E175LR right here. I love these things, American Eagle. There we go. While we wait for the next plane, which is another American E175, we have a short window, so we're gonna let my brother tell you about his favorite plane. And
my favorite plane is the AN225 Myra, or it was until it was bombed. Sadly, rest in peace. So now I guess I'll have to go with my second favorite, the Airbus A380. I love the Airbus A380 because it's double-decker.
Alright, so then we have another, this is the last plane I'm going to film. It's another American E175LR. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and goodbye.